The Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade says it's seeking clarity on why Jamaicans sent to Eswatini in Africa earlier this month weren't directly deported to Jamaica. The men who were landed as part of the controversial third country agreement brings to 4 the total number of Jamaicans sent there. Jamaila Maitland reports.
Minister of Foreign Affairs Senator Kamina Johnson-Smith says the government has contacted the United States to find out the circumstances in which 3 Jamaican nationals were sent to Eswatini instead of their home country on the third country nationals agreement.
We had also sought a formal response from the United States government on the circumstances around which it was determined that they should go to Eswatini, but we have not received a formal response.
Minister Johnson-Smith, who was speaking at post-cabinet press briefing Wednesday morning, explains that unlike the agreement for the monthly deportation of Jamaicans from the United States, where the Jamaican government is involved in the coordination, logistics, and transition of the nationals, with the TCN agreement, the Jamaican government is not involved, nor is it notified when nationals are sent to other countries. A total of 6 Jamaican nationals have been deported under the controversial TCN agreement. 4 were sent to Eswatini. The first was in July 2025. He has since returned home, but according to the minister, the others, 2 of whom are in neighboring St. Kitts and Nevis, have decided to stay.
They have all expressed a desire to not return to Jamaica. And in terms of whether the U.S. Formally notifies Jamaica where a Jamaican is sent by way of TCN, the answer is no.
The Jamaican and U.S. governments have signed a similar agreement. National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang committed to sharing the agreement with the public. When asked by journalists how soon a copy would be made available, Minister Johnson-Smith says further clarity will be sought on whether the details can be released.
What we would not want is further sensationalization of circumstances in which we are seeking to ensure the best protective approach to Jamaica and to Jamaicans and the most effective management of the arrangement in place.
Jamaila Maitland, TVJ News.